Hey guys! Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video with Love with Food. I just got their first tasting subscription box. So that's pretty cool. I'll show you what it looks like. Looks like this. You can either get a tasting box or you can get the next box up, which is a little bigger. I think it comes with like 2 of everything instead of just like 1. And yeah, this one's like only about like $7, so that was pretty cool. Once you buy a box, you're donating a meal to someone in need, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, once you open it up, it looks like this. 1 box, 1 meal. You helped fight hunger in America. Okay, and then once you open it up, it comes with a description of everything you have in your box. Cool. Okay, so let's start with Snap Pea Crisp. Got this. Ignore my nails, I need to get a manicure. Kind of nervous. I hate eating on camera, so this is gonna be weird. But these are actually really good. And also, if you saw my blog, I got a Graze box, so I'm kind of like comparing the two, seeing which one I want, which one I like better. And then yeah, maybe I'll order whichever one. Okay, and then I got a mini Jimmy bar. I think that's what it's called, yeah. Peanut butter. I guess I'll open it and I'll try it. I can't open it right now, but since it's small, I'll save it for later. But I got the peanut butter clutter. Looks like it'll be good. Next, oh, vitamins. Smarty Pants vitamins. Comes with 2. I'm gonna try one. I love gummies. So it looks like this. They're sour. They're also non-GMO. So I guess that's good. That's good. And then Super Crackers. Kind of just looks like Cheez-Its or something. These are good. They kind of taste like cheese nips, but better. So that's cool. Looks like granola. These are Seesaw Caramel Apple, naturally flavored. I'm just gonna take a pinch. This will go really good with yogurt. I love granola in my yogurt. Fruit snacks. I love fruit snacks. So here's a joke. Organic. Yum Earth organic fruit snacks. I like the texture. Pretzel Crisps. I actually eat these, but these are actually gluten free. So I wonder if they taste any different. They look a lot crispier than the original ones, but they're good. They taste like pretzels, but they're healthy and gluten free. I think this is the last food item I have. It is Cookie Thins, cake batter flavor. good. Crummy. They're also non-GMO, not allergen friendly, and no corn syrup. They're pretty good. They taste like Girl Scout cookies, definitely. Stuff this bag with high quality, well cared for clothes for toddlers, kids, and women. The things you'd feel best about giving a friend will raise most of your school. Shipping is free and easy. Simply seal your bag and leave it for your mail carrier. Drop it off in a mailbox or swing it by your local post office. We'll spiff and sell your amazing clothes. Oh, so that's cool. It's like giving clothes. And then I guess you can shop too. And then I got 30% off, so very nice. And then I also got some coupons. So yeah, that was my Love with Food box. I'll recap everything. So I got fruit snacks, really good. I'm gonna eat these right now. Cookie Thin Crisps, really good. I actually like these. Taste like Girl Scout cookies. Save that for later. Pretzel Crisps. Granola, Bare Naked Caramel Apple. I like this flavor a lot. Super Crackers, cheddar, and stuff. Basically like a better version of Cheese Nips. Vitamins. A bar I haven't tasted yet, but it'll probably be good. And then these are actually very good. So yeah. And I actually do like this box a lot better than Gray's. I feel like the selection is, I don't know, a lot more fun. The tasting box is definitely like bigger than Gray's and a lot more options. So I definitely think I'm gonna go with this Love with Food subscription. I did like Gray's, but I think this one was a lot better and what they gave. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys order yourself a Love with Food tasting box, and you can do so with my code, which I'll leave in the description box below.